Zulfikar Ali was born in 1978 during the regime of the cruelest military dictatorship in Pakistan. At the time of his birth, Ali's father Jahangir Badr was imprisoned along with Pakistan People's Party's founder Zulfikar Ali Bhutto in Kot Lakhpat jail. Zulfikar Ali's mother was living in the governor's house where her father was a government official. He was born at the governor's house in Lahore. The family sent a picture of the infant to Kot Lakhpat jail to give Jahangir Badr the good news of the birth of his first son. The Pakistan People's Party founder Zulfikar Ali Bhutto congratulated Jahangir Badr and wished to see his picture and wrote an inscription on its flip side. Z.A. Bhutto also sent a message to his wife Begum Nusrat Bhutto expressing his desire to have the child named after him. On receiving Mr. Bhutto's message, Begum Nusrat Bhutto went to Jahangir Badr's house in the walled city to name the newborn baby boy. To celebrate his first birthday, Zulfikar Ali's mother took him along with all the family members to Kot Lakhpat jail, where his father and Zulfikar Ali Bhutto were imprisoned. Zulfikar Ali had received his early education from the Crescent Model Higher Secondary School in Lahore. He was captain of the Tipu House, actively participated in the school's extracurricular activities including all the major sports. After finishing his schooling, Zulfikar Ali Badr further continued his studies in one of the most prestigious institutions of the country, that is Government College Lahore, and did his graduation from Government College Lahore with a major in economics, political science and statistics, and simultaneously did his BBA from National College of Business Administration and Economics in the evening. Zulfikar earned an MBA in IT from the National College of Business Administration and Economics, following which Zulfikar further pursued his education in the United States, where he completed another MBA with 3 majors in marketing, international business and management from Ashland University, Ohio. Zulfikar's thirst for knowledge did not stop here, and following in his father's footsteps, he earned his 5th degree in law from the University of Punjab, Lahore. Zulfikar Ali Badr started his career as a visiting faculty member teaching MBA classes at the National College of Business Administration and Economics in September of 2003, and later in November joined a local bank and worked there till April of 2006. In 2005, he became the Secretary General of World Punjabi Organization, which gave him an opportunity to meet international leaders and celebrities. During this time, he also started teaching MBA classes as a visiting faculty member at the University of Central Punjab. He worked as a branch sales manager at the Citibank. He left his job as he was granted a party ticket by Shaheed Benazir Bhutto to contest the provincial assembly election in Lahore, where Shaheed Zulfikar Ali Bhutto contested the election and also spent his last days in detention alongside his father Jahangir Badr. After the elections, he became an anchor and started hosting the Current Affairs live talk show on Din TV, and also did the Current Affairs talk show on Pakistan Television and on Value TV, which is reflective of his remarkable written and oral communication skills. Zulfikar Ali Badr registered his company with the unique name of 5 Mangoes, with the idea that if Apple can be an IT company and Orange can be a telecom company, then he can launch a business under this unique name. 5 Mangoes engaged in different businesses of international trading, construction, advertising, public relations and event management. He is also the CEO of Wedding Park and Badr & Badr Law Associates, a law firm started by his father in 1972. Zulfikar Ali now runs Badr & Badr Law Associates with a team of dedicated professionals, and the firm focuses on research and development of laws in upcoming fields. He is also the CEO of a non-profit organization named the Institute of Vision and Leadership, which has organized many seminars, workshops and conferences. Zulfikar Ali continues to work hard in educating the youth of Pakistan about personality development, disseminating information about laws regarding child marriages, media ethics, child labor, women empowerment and imparting training to entrepreneurs. IVL had its first MOU with the Lahore Chamber of Commerce and Industry to facilitate these trainings. IVL also organized the SARC Youth Conference in Lahore in February of 2014 to facilitate people-to-people interaction among the youth of South Asia for economic growth, building bridges and connectivity for future consumption.
I must thank Ali Badr. He's taken the first time the initiative in Lahore to make a young entrepreneur. Let's give him a good hand. So he should keep up.
I congratulate Ali Badr ji who are carrying the SARC Youth Torch
under the umbrella of SARC CCI to greater and greater heights.
पहले तो मैं अली बदर और तमाम जो ऑर्गेनाइजर हैं और जो इनकी टीम है, I want to show my appreciation and you show your appreciation for this magnificent event. Well done.
He is an executive member of the Pakistan Industrial Alliance Foundation and also a member of Indo-Pak Chamber of Commerce and Industry. He is also the chairman of Young Entrepreneur Development Committee at the Federation of Pakistan Chamber of Commerce and Industry and the convener Youth Development at the Lahore Chamber of Commerce and Industry. He has a strong grasp of fiscal statistics and investment strategies. His academic and practical experience have contributed to his intelligent scrutiny of the world of business. He is also the member Punjab Bar Council. He is life member Lahore Bar Association and the Vice Chairman Standing Committee on Diplomatic Affairs, Federation of Pakistan Chamber of Commerce and Industry. He has not merely made his mark in Pakistan but has extended his good repute throughout South Asia. As a life member of the SARC Chamber of Commerce and Vice Chairman at SARC Chamber of Young Entrepreneur Forum, he has been at the forefront in the organization's conferences in India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, China and the United States. Zulfikar Ali played an important role by representing Pakistan as an election observer in the year 2008 US presidential elections on the invitation of the International Republican Institute. In June of 2011, he also represented Pakistan in the China South Asia Future Political Leaders Conference organized by CPC in Beijing. Zulfikar Ali has been very active in social causes. His main areas of concern were education and health. He had always taken the initiative and helped poor and downtrodden people in the flood-affected areas. After elections, he opened 2 free dispensaries for the general public, a computer center for the youth, 2 sewing centers for poor ladies in his constituency where they can make money on a daily basis. He also educated and facilitated the Christian minorities on the issue of rights of minorities at different occasions in his constituency. He has facilitated about 2 lakh people in his constituency to get free of cost computerized national identity cards, including the 50,000 minorities voters. He has constructed small streets and roads by spending Pak rupees 80 million on the development of that area and provided natural gas connections to poor people. Zulfikar has provided hundreds of young, educated people with jobs. Many times he facilitated monetary allowances to the poor and needy people of his area. He has been developing, coaching, training the youth across the region to become independent in their work. His vision for the youth and women is to get educated, get skilled and to become an entrepreneur. Zulfikar's decision to tread into the arena of political affairs was stimulated by Shaheed Mohtarma Benazir Bhutto, who saw him as a budding celebrity in the scope of politics.
रास्ता बहुत आगे और रास्ते में जैसे हम चल रहे थे तो फिर रास्ता बहुत आहिस्ता आहिस्ता ट्रक चल रहा था, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता चल रहा था तो हमने देखे कि एक छोटा सा लड़का साइड पर है, भाग रहा है, तो बदर साहब ने लीन ओवर करके छोटा सा बच्चा था उसको उठा करके ऊपर किया ट्रक पर और कहा बीबी ये मेरा बेटा अली है। तो मुझे बहुत कि आज छोटा सा बच्चा माशाल्लाह इतना बड़ा हो गया है और बदर को मुबारकबाद दूंगी। बदर साहब आपको भी, आप तो जेल में होते थे, आप तो जलसा और जलूसे में होते थे कि आपने इतनी खूबसूरत काम की है इस बच्चे के परवरिश में। मैंने अली की मतलब मैं आया था मिलने के लिए तो मैं इतनी इम्प्रेस हुई उनके जज्बे के साथ, उनके इंटेलिजेंस के साथ, उनकी पॉलिटिकल इंसाइट के साथ कि मैं सोचने लगी कि हमारे तंजीम में बदर साहब की तो जरूरत है मगर अली की भी जरूरत है। फिर मुझे मालूम हुआ कि वो अभी काम कर रहे हैं मगर इंशाल्लाह ताला वो दिन जरूर आएगा जब पाकिस्तान पीपल्स पार्टी अली और हर अली के ऊपर ये डिमांड रखेगी कि अभी आओ और अवाम के काम को जारी रखो।
Profoundly stirred by his political insight and enthusiasm, it was Shaheed Mohtarma Benazir Bhutto who stipulated him to step forward for the emancipation of the people of Pakistan, citing him and his father Jahangir Badr, both imperative to the organization of the Pakistan People's Party. Referring to them on her homecoming to Pakistan and later her visit to Lahore in 2007, Mohtarma said that she was extremely contented to see a blend of youth and experience which endeavored to assist the impoverished people of Pakistan under the streamer of the Pakistan People's Party.
पाकिस्तान पीपल्स पार्टी कायम हुई थी 40 साल पहले, इस नवंबर 30 तारीख को, ये नवंबर 30 तारीख 40th एनिवर्सरी होगा पीपल्स पार्टी का। तो 40 साल पहले पाकिस्तान पीपल्स पार्टी इसी शहर लाहौर में कायम हुई। कायद अवाम जुल्फिकार अली भुट्टो ने पाकिस्तान पीपल्स पार्टी को कायम किया और अभी यहाँ अली बदर बैठे हैं, अभी न्यू जनरेशन आई है इनकी उम्र की। उस वक्त उनके वालिद की उम्र ये थी जब नौजवानों ने मिल करके कायद अवाम के साथ पाकिस्तान पीपल्स पार्टी कायम की। पीपल्स पार्टी का जो स्ट्रेंथ था वो यूथ था और साथ साथ एक्सपीरियंस भी था। और आज भी जब मैं पीपल्स पार्टी को देखती हूँ तो मुझे वो यूथ भी नज़र आते हैं हर जगह और मुझे वो एक्सपीरियंस लीडर्स भी हर जगह नज़र आते हैं।
Zulfikar said, "We are all born to play a role in this world. Allah has determined my role as well. I am born for a reason, and for that I am trying my best to change things for the better. So far Allah has been very kind and I believe that I am born to make a difference and I will make a difference inshallah." Academically strong and highly capable, he is fated to escort tomorrow's Pakistan with his vision to prosperity. It is Zulfikar Ali Badr's time to shine and he will do so inshallah wherever life takes him.